Hey everybody, it's Chad with Nobody Else's Auto. We are back with my good friend Michael Jones in Sapulpa, Oklahoma. Michael has a company called Gasoline Alley Classics. If you caught the last video, and if you didn't, go back and make sure you check it out. Several years ago, Michael came up, bought a Dodge milk truck from me out of the yard, did an awesome build on it, left the patina, put it on a Dodge, late model Dodge pickup chassis, and he drives it all over the country, including Rodeo Drive. So, does a ton of cool stuff with that, but we were coming through Oklahoma, and I knew he was working on this awesome building, so I wanted to stop, say hi, and then I really saw what he was actually doing. He's been telling me about this for years. He showed me pictures, but until I got here and saw it, it was just really impossible to comprehend. Now, obviously, still a work in progress.
Yep.
We're getting close. Yep. We're about ready to open.
We're getting there.
This is going to be your showroom for Gasoline Alley Classics, for the t-shirts, the neon signs, the oil cans, all the cool man cave stuff you make.
Exactly.
And this has been obviously a labor of love to put this together.
Right.
But the building we're standing in was a Model T assembly plant / dealership.
Yep.
Just after the turn of the century.
Yep.
And so you've been doing a ton of cool stuff in it. And we got into some more of that detail in the last video, so be sure to go back and catch that if you missed it. But what we're going to look at today is some more of the stuff that he has done in the front showroom area to really turn this into an awesome space. And behind us, tell us about a few of the things you're doing here. You can see behind us, still paper on the windows.
Right.
Not quite there, but getting close, and it is so awesome. And
We're kind of teasing everybody because they can't see in here to what we're doing yet. So we're not open to the public yet. It is still a work in progress. We hope to be open sometime this summer this year. That's what we're shooting for. But this, like Chad was saying, this was an original Model T assembly plant showroom. It's taken a lot of hours to get it to where it's at now.
I can't imagine the hours you got in this place.
Just when you look at the red brick on here, I chiseled off all the plaster on this brick here. And so that was a literally sweat equity on things. We've made a feature wall here paying tribute to the Ford dealership here in town and what it was when they were assembled here in Sapulpa as well. And so, we've got the Ford hubcaps, we've got the Model T hanging on the wall, which is what it was. It was the thing. It's just a little more lively to my taste. I like the rat rods and the patina look of things. But we're here just off the corner of Route 66. So for you travelers that are coming off the interstate, get off the interstate and get on the route. And that's where you're going to get your kicks.
And that's what, half block?
Half a block right
to
here.
Route 66.
To Route 66.
The original Route 66.
The original Route 66. And so to think that original old Model Ts were built here in this showroom, that's what's exciting to know.
And we looked around the back, and there's even part of the track still where they would the frames would travel around a track that they hung off of
Sure did.
as they were putting them together.
That is correct. Yes.
But one thing about this space up front, and this is what's so awesome, is we look above us right here at the ceiling in what is going to very soon be the Gasoline Alley Classic showroom, and this is the original structure.
This is the original structure.
When you bought this building, you said it had a drop ceiling in
It
it.
had a drop ceiling with the acoustic tiles on it. We pulled all of that down. And as you're seeing now here, you're seeing the original rafters. It had plaster and laths all over that, so you couldn't see up through that. So we basically blew that all out and went all the way up to the very top of the ceiling so that we could get the character of what this building actually is and see the bones of it. And this allows us to be creative. We've just decorated it with all kinds of automobilia. I mean,
You got pedal cars.
hubcaps, piston rods, connecting rods, steering wheels, oil cans, you name it, white wall tires,
Some brake
shifters.
signs.
Yeah, we got shifters. I got even some motorcycle parts up there too. hanging. It's just a variety that just let the eye wander.
As we kind of walk through this, let's kind of head this way. And we got to work around some of this stuff because we're under construction here, but you're getting close. And like I said, hopefully we'll be open this summer, but it's really coming together. But you can just see all the awesome stuff up hanging from these original rafters, the license plates, the massive flashing arrow sign, and just some awesome decorations, memorabilia, and it just has made an amazing space. And that's cool. Tell us about that.
So the Desert Hills Motel, that is over on 11th Street in Tulsa, which is AKA Route 66. It's been there for years. I found this from a friend of mine. He had several of them. I was fortunate enough to get one of them for myself and to be able to put some of the Route 66 history in this building as well. I've got a couple of other pieces that were out here along the route as well that came from
So that is an old hotel that was on Route 66.
And it's still there and it's still functioning and is a great place to stay if you want a piece of nostalgia.
And it's in Tulsa.
It's in Tulsa.
Just right 15 minutes
Just
from here.
15 minutes from us here on Route 66. We're just west of, we're west of Tulsa right now.
Yeah.
So as you head east, Go down Route 66 and you can stay
So
there.
that's an actual sign, 50-0 probably, maybe 60
Easily.
off of a motel from the route. So
Yep.
you're really tying it all together here,
I'm
which
tied
is so
into,
cool.
Yes, I'm tied into Route 66. I'm all about it.
So that's awesome. So like I said, anybody, if you're gonna run the route, be sure to stop and check this thing out. Gonna be open very soon. And check them out online on their website. Check them out on Facebook at GasolineAlleyClassics.com. Check out all the cool stuff that Michael makes here and sells, man cave stuff.
Yep.
Got a few pieces that we're taking home with us today. And it's really cool. It's really, well, you're a gearhead.
I'm a
so
gearhead.
it comes, your designs with Fat Boys.
Fat
and-
Boy Speed Shop and just the automotive flair, as it says,
Yeah.
like you said.
That's, you're not a graphic designer in New York trying to come up with ideas for man cave stuff.
No.
You do it because this is your space and you love it. So
This is
it's-
what we like. Yep.
So that's what's cool about it. That's why it's such great stuff, and that's why the look and the designs really fit with what we love. So,
Right.
as always, Michael, thanks for having us. Thanks for
it.
giving us a sneak peek. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're on Facebook, please share the video with your friends. Be sure to check out Michael's page and give his page a like as well. Keep up with the cool stuff he's got going out. If you're on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Check out all my other videos. It's all old gearhead stuff. Cars, trucks, automobilia, super cool stuff like this. That's all we do on here because that's about all I know. So if I try to talk about anything else, it'll be a pretty boring video. So as always, appreciate you guys stopping by, taking a few minutes to hang out with us tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys like Michael's new space. And if you're in the area, be sure to check him out. Thanks for watching, everybody. We will see you soon on the next video.